Brainstorming. It is an unstructured approach towards generating ideas for solving problems involving multiple experts. Experts raise many questions in order to clarify. They logically group similar situations together for evaluating by raising some questions like benefits gained if a particular idea is followed, specific problem that idea can possibly solve. Will new problem arise through this situation? The general procedure for conducting a brainstorming session. Introducing the session, presenting the problem to the expert, promoting the expert to generate ideas, looking for sign of possible converge. It is the expert are unable to agree on a specific solution. The knowledge developer may call for a vote consensus. Electronic brainstorming is a computer aided approach for dealing with multiple experts. It usually begins with a free sessions plan identifying objectives and structures. The agenda and presented to the experts for approval. During the session, each expert sits with a computer and get themselves engaged in a predefined approach towards resolving an issue and then generate ideas. This allows experts to present their opinion through their personal computers without having to wait for their turn. Usually, they display comments suggestion electronically on a large screen without identifying the source. This approach protects the introvert expert and prevents tagging comments to individuals. This approach facilitates improve communication, effective discussion regarding sensitive issues and closes the meeting with the concise recommendation necessary action. This eventually leads to convenience of ideas and the to set final specification. The result is usually the joint ownership of the solution. Protocol analysis think aloud method. The knowledge developers collect protocol screeners and the involve the expert to solve the specific problem and record the decision directly. Knowledge developers do not interpret in the entries. The knowledge developer analyzes the protocol and structure the eliminate the knowledge of developers. Information later. Here, the term scenario refers to the details and somehow complex sequence of events or more precisely and epis and scenario involves individuals and objects. It provides a concentrate vision of how some specific human activity support by information technology. Consensus decision making. Consensus decision making usually follows brainstorming in the type of knowledge capture the system encourage the activity of the expert who provide equal and adequate opportunity they express their views in order to arrive at a consensus. The knowledge developer conducting the excess tries to rally the expert towards one or two alternatives. The knowledge developer follows a procedure designed to sense Fishfarman and standardization. This method is democratic in nature but tight and sometimes time consuming. Regulatory grid. This is another tool used for knowledge capture. The domain expert of and a problem domain using is your own model. The knowledge capture and evaluate this is model and same problem domain may produce distinct set of the result. The knowledge developer usually elect and the domain expert for provide a set of examples. He labels rates each element accordingly to the contract of models. Nominal group techniques, not in a ideas writing techniques. This provides an interface between a brainstorming. Here, the panel of expert becomes a in nominal groups. This technique structure the meeting to fuel ideas judgment. Ideas writing is a structured group approach. It helps developing ideas and exploring their meaning and the net result is usually a written report. Delphi method. It is a survey of the expert of full the expert response from a series of solving a specific issues. The results of each questions contributed by each expert help to construct the next questions. Concept mapping. It is a network of concepts consisting of nodes and lines. A node suspends a concept and a link represents the relationship between acceptance. Concept mapping transform new concept proportions into the entity cognitive structures related to knowledge capture. It is a structure of when cognitive. It is an effective way for group to functions without lessening their individuality. Concept mapping is useful in several ways to design complex structures, to generate ideas, to communicate ideas, to dialogue misunderstanding. Concept mapping involves six steps in its implementation: preparation, idea generation, statement structuring, representation, interpretation, utilization. Similar to concept mapping, A systematic net, another tool in knowledge capture used in collection of nodes linked together to form a knowledge developer graphically represent descriptive declare knowledge through a net. Each idea of interest usually represents a linked by lines called arrays which show relationship between the fundamentally it is a network of concept and relationship. Blackboarding. In these methods the experts work together to solve a specific product using by blackboard as their workplace. Each expert get an opportunity to contribute to the solution using the blackboard. This methods assument that all participants are experts who have acquired their individuals expertise in situation different from those of the other experts in the group. The process of blackboarding continues until the problem facing solution. The following are the characteristic feature of blackboard system. Device approach to problem solving, common language for interaction, efficient storage of information, flexible representation of information, intuitive approach to problem solving, oriented participation, components of Blackboard system. The Blackboard system uses the following components in the implementation. The knowledge sources is an independent expert observing the status of the blackboard and trying to contribute. Higher level partial solution based on the knowledge it has and how well such knowledge applies to the current blackboard state. The blackboard it is a global memory structure, a database or a repository that can store all partial solution and other necessary data that are presently in various stages of completions. A control mechanism it coordinate the pattern and flow of the problem solution. The interference engine and the knowledge base are part of the Blackboard system. Knowledge codification. When once the knowledge collection process is completed, it is really it's organizing and codifying in a manner uh, amendable for transfer and effective uses. The exercise of knowledge codification involves in it applying and representing the knowledge before authorized personnel scheme of same. The organizing part is usually in the form of decision and decision able a frame and so on. Codification must be in a form of structure that will build the knowledge base which must make it accessible, explicit, and easily to access from a knowledge management perspective. Codification means converting tacit knowledge to explicit knowledge in a usual form for the organizational members. From an information system view, codification is converting uncommentable to documented information regardless of view codification is making cooperative specific knowledge tacit and explicit visible accessible and enable for value added decision making. The knowledge developer should be aware of the following points before initiating knowledge codification. Regarded knowledge is often difficult to assess because it is either fragmented or properly organized. Dispersion of new knowledge is too slow. Knowledge is not shared but hoarded. This can involve political implications. Often, knowledge is not found in the proper form. Often, knowledge is not available at the correct time when it is needed. Often, knowledge is not present in the proper location where it should be present. Often, knowledge is found to be incomplete, as organization must focus on the following before codification. What organizational goals will the codified knowledge serve? When what knowledge exists in the organization that can addresses these goals, how useful it is existing knowledge for codification, how would someone codifying knowledge, codification tools and procedures. Codifying tacit knowledge in its entirely in a knowledge because respiratory is often difficult because it is usually developed and in interrelation in the minutes of the human beings. The different kinds of codification are as follows: knowledge maps, decision table, decision trees, production rules, case based reasoning, knowledge based agent. Knowledge maps. Knowledge maps oriented from the belief that people act on things that they understand and accept. It indicates that self determined change sustainable. It is a visual representation of knowledge. It represents explicit, tacit, formal, informal, documented, undocumented, internal, external knowledge. It is not a knowledge repository, it is a sort of dictionary that points towards fearful documents and repository. It may be identify strength to explain and missing knowledge gaps. To the knowledge mapping is very useful when it is required to visualize and explore complex system. Examples of complex system are ecosystem. This the internet telecommunication system and customer suppliers chains, the stock market knowledge, map, mapping is a multi step process. Knowledge map use key to extract information from database or literature and place in tabular form as list of fact and connect this table relationship in the network to form the required knowledge maps. Skill planner used in human resource in a popular knowledge map where employees matched with job. For building a knowledge map, the knowledge developer must develop structured knowledge. He must also define the knowledge requirements for specific job performance, and the knowledge developer must be capable of rating the employee's performance through knowledge competency. Later on, the knowledge developer must link the knowledge map to some training program for career development and job advancement. Decision table. It is another technique used for knowledge codification. It consists of some conditions, rules, and actions. For example, Vodafone Company send out monthly invoice to permanent customers and gives them discount if payment made within 2 weeks. Their discounting policy is as follows: if the amount of the order of cards is greater than rupees 35, subtract 5% of the order. If the amount is greater than or equal to rupees 20 and less than or equal to rupees 35, subtract at 4% discount. If the amount is less than rupees 20, do not apply any discount. This information represented in the form of a decision table for their discounting decision using conditions alternatives yes and no. Production rules. They are conditional statement specifying an action to taken in one of certain condition is true. They codify knowledge in the form of premise action fair syntax. If then action is example if income is standard and payment history is good, then approve home loan. Knowledge based system rules based on arithmetic or experimental reasoning. Rules can incorporate certain level of uncertainty. A certainty factor is symposium with a confidence level, which is a subjective qualification of an expert judgment. The premise is a Bloom expression that should evaluate to the true for the rule applications. The action part of the rule separate from the premise by the keywords. Then the action clause consists of a statement or a series of uncertain separated by hand or common and is executed if the premise is true. In case of knowledge based system, Planning involves breaking the entire system into manageable models, considering parties' solution and liking them through rules and procedures to arrive at a final solution, deciding on the programming language, deciding on the software package, testing and validating the system, developing the user interface, promoting clarity, flexibility, making rules clear, reducing unnecessary risk, role of interference. Interference implies the process of driving a conclusion based on statement that only imply that conclusion. An interference engine is a program that manages the inference strategies. Reasoning is a process of applying knowledge to arrive at all the conclusions. However, reasoning depends on premise as well as on general knowledge. Case based reasoning. This method reasons out fact, cases, and effect from the relevant past cases in a way similar to humans' use of experience to arrive at conclusion. Case based reasoning is a technique that records and documents case and then searches the appropriate cases to determine their usefulness in solving new cases presented to the expert. The aim is to bring up the most similar historical case that matches the present cases, adding new cases and classifying the case library usually expand knowledge. A case literary may require considerable database storage as well as an efficient retrieval system. Knowledge based agents. An intelligent agent is a program code that is capable of performing automation action in a timely fashion. The expert goal directed behavior by taking initiative. The knowledge based agents bear the program code to interact with other agents or human begins by using some agent communication language in terms of knowledge based system. An agent in a program code to learn from the user behavior and deduce future behavior for assisting the user